fellas, I am really excited to watch this trailer right now. The name of the trailer is Shakuntala Devi. Now we know that she was the greatest mathematician of all time. She has a mind which was faster than a calculator. That's all I know, and I don't want to like go into it by finding on the Google or something, because I'm really excited to watch this trailer. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter I'll give in the description below if you want to connect with me, follow me or suggest me something. I would love to hear it from you guys. So without further ado, let's start.
Myself, Shakuntala.
Vidya, yes.
Maths में rules नहीं है, सिर्फ जादू है.
Okay.
तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ्स से दोस्ती करने के लिए?
पापा, मुझे भी स्कूल जाना है।
स्कूल तुझे क्या सिखाएगा?
Wow.
तो स्कूल को ही सिखा देगी।
मैंने एक
Yes.
आदमी को गोली मार दी थी।
What?
क्या हुआ? पोहा खाइए ना।
What is it you love about being on stage?
People's face when they see a girl in chotis doing maths.
छोटी?
Choti.
Oh, great.
72891.
How do you do it?
923.
How are you doing this?
How?
Wow.
277373.
Yes.
Mr. B just made it to the Guinness Book of World Records.
Wow.
I was correct. The computer was wrong.
And that's why they named you the human computer.
Wow.
इंटेलिजेंट और गुड लुकिंग आदमी का बेबी चाहिए ना मुझे.
कब लाऊं मारा?
बेबी चाहिए था, पति नहीं.
10 साल बाबा आप भूल सकते हैं पर मैं नहीं. 10 साल तक माँ ने मुझे आपसे दूर रखा. जितना प्यार आप मैथ से करती है उसका आधा भी अगर आप मुझसे करती तो. तुमने मुझसे मेरा मैथ्स छोड़वा दिया. अपनी बेटी की देखभाल करने के लिए आपको नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए.
तुम्हारी माँ ने अपनी पावर ऑफ अटर्नी का इस्तेमाल करके तुम्हारी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज बेच दी।
वो लड़ाई चाहती थी, अब उन्हें जंग लड़नी होगी.
Okay.
बाकी राउंड्स की तरह नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं हो सकती?
She used to come in filter copy, right? If I'm not mistaken.
तो नॉर्मल क्यों बना?
Oh. Wow.
मैं कभी नहीं हारती. Always remember that. So do you want me to give you the answer from left to right or right to left? I'll give it to you from right to left.
Wow.
4963955. Am I correct?
Absolutely correct.
Superb, yeah. Superb. Absolutely fantastic.
That's pretty dramatic.
We Indians are like that only. Drama or nothing.
Lovely, yeah. Okay. Wow, I think it's a great tribute to Shakuntala Devi. And I'm really sorry it was not someone from Filter Copy, actually it's Sanya Malhotra. Wow. I need to look at the Google right now and to see what actually it gives us when we search for the name Shakuntala Devi for that. Shakuntala Devi was an Indian writer and mental calculator, popularly known as human computer. Her talent earned her a place in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. Wow, we have a photo over here and I guess it's a great tribute. This movie is really a great tribute to Mrs. Shakuntala Devi, because what she has achieved over the years has it was not even recognized all over the world, because there was no social media, there was not much of a TV or something like that to publicize or promote your talent like we have right now. We have social media, we have TV, we have computer, internet, so greatly advanced technology. At that point of time we didn't have anything, and at that point of time when no one even understood the seriousness of the maths or interesting in the maths, this person, this lady went ahead of all its times and just went to a great level in specific area of mathematics. It's absolutely fantastic to get a movie which is so inspiring. Okay, we need to have such more movies. Okay, we need to see how can a student will be able to get inculcated and interest in himself by watching such movies, because such inspiring movies are really important from point of view of people to put interest in maths, because science, physics, biology, mathematics, algebra, geometry, things are like, it's so boring that you don't understand why it's been having a particular chapter. Like people used to say that why tan c, cos theta, tan t, this everything, like why is necessary for the people to learn that? I am not from the science background, I'm from the commerce background, but still I have learned in school, so we all understand the main thing, that it was not necessary at that point of time when we like. But when we grow up, we understand a lot of things which might be in the relation to that, might be in the astrology or fun puzzles or like numbers, playing with numbers, lot of things, and like cracking all the riddles. And specifically when it comes to mathematics, you just have like get some lot of these riddles where you have to like apply your minds to get a particular answer. Few hints are given, few hints are hidden, so you just like get to understand the particular concept and then answer the question. Even if we do the aptitude test, we get some mathematics questions that we need to apply the minds and just get the right answer. On the basis of that, our aptitude has been tested. So mathematics is really important in all the day-to-day lives, and really important from the point of view of higher studies actually, whether it is like astrology or anything which which really need the calculations to come at a specific answer, to like to reach at a certain answer. And being a person from India, it like feels really proud to have such things. It's absolutely superb. So this was the thing, but it is really sad to know that she's no more. She was born on 4th of November 1929 to she passed away by on 21st April 2013. So it's written that she passed away due to complications in heart and kidneys. Like it's really sad to like lose such a great motivation, great inspiration from where people can learn so much from. So this was it. This was the reaction to the newest trailer, which was just dropped by Amazon Prime. And I hope you liked the video, and I hope you give a big fat thumbs up to me so that I can know that you really like my reaction to it. And also I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also links to the Instagram and Twitter are given in the description below. If you want to connect with me, suggest me something or comment on something, I would love to hear it from you guys. So until the next video, until next reaction, until the next trailer, I would request you to stay connected.